I just got that North mini bike. Meet me at the track. You gon' see the smoke. Get behind me, I ain't coming back. Get your team together. We gon' see who comes in last. I just hope your bike is fast, cause my engine built to last. I just got that North mini bike. Meet me at the track. You gon' see the smoke. Get behind me, I ain't coming back. Get your team together. We gon' see who comes in last. I just hope your bike is fast, cause my engine built to last. The track been lined with chalk and all my ops ain't coming back. They not from my side. They got caught on the new side of the track. Riding for the north, for the north, for the north. Riding for the north. When I'm in a race, I'm riding for the north. My mini bike gon' ride for the north. And all my ops ain't coming back. They not from my side. They got caught in the new side of the track. Riding for the north, for the north, for the north. Riding for the north. When I'm in the race, I'm riding for the north. My mini bike gon' ride for the north. And all my ops ain't coming back. They not from my side. They got caught in a new side of the track. Riding for the north.
Let's put the wheel on. We can do that. Okay. I just want to make sure shit don't fall. Okay. Hey. Things get in the hole. Okay.
Oh, I be in a gang. Call the mini bike gang. Get ran over if you try to intervene. Pop a wheelie and I hit the bank. I'm an official North mini bike drag race team. Mini bike,
the prime lens.
Goons in the
There's
back
no
and we don't
zoom
give a fuck, give a fuck.
whatsoever.
On 4 wheels, but we get the bucks.
I don't want that on the other side of that.
Goon riding in the back seat. Goon in the front, got a fat heat. 4 goons in the back, that's 4 heats. And I'm on 2 wheels, you can't catch me. Got a goon riding in the back seat. Goon in the front, got a fat heat. 4 goons in the back, that's 4 heats. And I'm on 2 wheels, you can't catch me. Catch me. Mini bike gang, mini bike team, got the big wheels on a mini bike. Official North mini bike drag race team. My goons on dirt bikes, mini bike and pedal bike.
All right, and here's the final product. We'll go over it. Thumb throttle, of course. I modified the cable with a new drum, shortened it so she's right on. There's no play. We get full throw, no problem. This is a doubled up paint strainer just to keep chunks out of it. This is a Wildcat 240 with a mild build in it. And this is the super sexy North exhaust right here. What else? There is a 3-degree slope from the rear to the front, just like a sport bike. You kind of lean forward. We put the base weight right by the rear tire to keep that down. And this way you can lean forward easily and your feet actually want to be right here. Before we put in the foot pegs, we sat on it. Actually sat on a 2x4, and that is exactly where your feet want to be. You could put it here, but you'd want taller bars, you know what I mean? So that you could sit back. So with this one, you sit just like a sport bike. And like I said, it is 3.5 pounds lighter with the fork installed, with the bearings and the neck bolt. She comes in at 19 pounds even, which is pretty cool. So we're, 3.5 pounds lighter than the Rascal GT. Oh, these are my trees. They have these little slots in them so that you can put a piece of hobby metal in there and find your tire center super easily. I just use aluminum tubing for my spacers. 8/5/8 neck bolt with bearing, iridium plug. What else? Ghetto ass handmade seat. I might actually have somebody make a nice one for this bike. The Rock Bros grips. I love these foam grips, man. They're awesome. Brakes all on, working good. And here's the gas tank. You really don't need a lot of gas tank for a drag bike. It don't really need that weight. I'm going to try to figure out, I have a heavy weight scale, like a snowmobile. You know what I mean? I might figure out a way to hang it and find out what the overall dry weight of it is. I don't have any oil in it or anything yet. It should be a bad muck cucka. I want to see how it is first. Then I might throw like a 308 cam or something and maybe some 1 to 3 rockers, you know, stuff to really get her breathing fire. What else? We got the EC side cover made for the Wild Kitty. 35 gold chain, no ram, the Broham. That's Cheetah clutch. Let's see, she says Cheetah somewhere. Yep, the Cheetah. I mean, it's a mini bike, man. You know what I mean? There ain't a whole lot going on. Most of what's going on is in there. I really like it. It's just like a sport bike. Let me know what you think. If you want one, I'll build you one. Just let me know.